Somebody else, if I can't love myself enough to know when it's time to let go. Sing all I really want, yeah. Be happy, okay. Find the love that's mine. Be so sweet, all I really want. I wanna be happy, that's mine, yeah. So sweet. I ask for a sign from a sweet Lord above. I know the answer is in front of me, but when you think you're in love, you only see what you wanna see, and all I see is me for you and you for me. All I really want, yeah. Love that's mine, be so sweet. All I really want is to be happy. I wanna be happy. Love that's mine, be so sweet.
Red dot on his nose like Rudolph. Pull up to the scene all white with the roof off. Take that little bitch to the roof. Chris, fuck up and fuck on her sister, I'm ruthless. Chill on the 6 when I'm fucking on Poochie. That bitch was ugly but pussy on smoothie. Play with that kitty like hello. Take a step back then I bust it like mellow. Aiming at you and your fellows. My new bitch hello. She blow that dick like a cello. Fuck up and send that bitch home on the metro. Ooh, young nigga fall like a pigeon. Bitch say these friends they be hot in my vision. Make sure all my niggas eat, that's the mission. No more wishing, I'ma go get it, I got it. Play with that pussy like peekaboo, 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 play with that money like peekaboo, play with these bitches like peekaboo, broke ass bitch ass nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these rappers do. Peekaboo, 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 big, peekaboo, 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 big, peekaboo, peekaboo, nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these rappers do.
Open your eye, bitch, you see all this money. Make that little bit tape a brick to her stomach. You not the gang, we don't kick it up, honey. Jip out the rape and I read the Titanic. Look at the numbers, mechanics ain't frontin'. I came from the link with this jail, I got punished. Ooh, pulling no fun for the Kruger. Wow, my niggas turn back recruiter. You capping, I came from trapping. I used to have the dope stashed in the cabinet. Mama couldn't tell me shit, what was my daddy? Look at my paddock, I'm flexing on petty. I put the pussy the first time I met it. Won't give you no credit, you ate it spaghetti. I cut the brick with machetes. Married the money, the bitch wasn't ready.
Play with that pussy like peekaboo, 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 play with that money like peekaboo, play with these bitches like peekaboo, broke ass bitch ass nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these rappers do. Peekaboo, 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 big, peekaboo, 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 big, peekaboo, 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 big, peekaboo, 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 nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these rappers do.
can cook it in Atlanta everywhere. You would think it's recreation. You already know we made it. We ain't even gotta say shit. Some of the trap was licks, some of the trap was vacant. Junior say I'll bring the bay out, bring the bay out. Nigga want top, we bring that K out, let the spray now. They gon' walk right in that pot, we beat it up back, y'all. Invade your pop, we stay on top, ain't nobody safe now. Go, 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 go. From the north to the mall, 500 K got the host. Go, 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 go. You never too knows. Pack my bags and go, 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 go. Serve me a brick at the stove. Looking like Shaq in the post. Go, 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 go,
Niggas ain't gotta respect, niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left, all I'ma cruddy to death. Hype Williams, Lil X, if he don't say it direct, could give a fuck. Yo, I put some ice on her hand, I let her take it in advance. She wasn't going as planned, I put her shit in the van. She gotta move with a friend, first she went back to her man. Give a fuck, I just put a wagon in the driveway, you know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's the wild way it's going in. Me and Lil Sicko sitting sideways, breaking tins. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion out in Texas, it's a beachfront. Then she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got a Montana by the pool, and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep their pockets greased up. Me and Capo tryna leave our mark and piece the east up. Ain't nobody making too much money on the beef stuff. But I beef for rapper cause I'm never with the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect, niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left, all I'ma cruddy to death. Hype Williams, Lil X, if he don't say it direct, could give a fuck.
On a Yamaha, chromed out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. What we doing, hitting money. What they doing, hating on us, but they never cross. Cash money still a company, and bitch I'm the boss. And I be stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. I'm stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yeah, bitch I'm paid, that's all I gotta say. Can't see you little niggas, the money in the way, and I'm sitting high against the ride blaze. And if you ain't gon' ride fly, then you might as well hate. Shit, I gotta eat, yeah, even though I ain't know it ain't my birthday, but I got my name on that cake. Shit, believe that, and if the mans won't play, and I'ma fuck around and put the ball braids on the gate. Hey, pick them up, pop them, let them lay. Where I'm from, we see a fucking dead body every day. That's up and down, throwing stack at them, make a song about me. I'm throwing shots back at them. Bitch, I'm a pipe, she like a crack addict. And she saw me cooking eggs, she thought I was back at it. Yeah, I grabbed my keys, oh I gotta go. Got my motorcycle jacket and my motorcycle logo. On a Yamaha, chromed out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. What we doing, hitting money. What they doing, hating on us, but they never cross. Cash money still a company, and bitch I'm the boss. And I be stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy.
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the cooling system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and they got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell. He always in the kiss him on her lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you'll get slapped if you're looking. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, you're like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy and I'm loving your tie. You're like slicker than the guy with the thing on his eye. Oh. Yes, I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I met them dudes up. That hoops up, but y'all don't use it.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Hermosa hair, and today I'm reviewing this really cool like purple highlighted unit, and I haven't seen a unit like this, so I was really excited to try it out, try something new and different. I've been doing like a lot of the reddish brown color lately, and that color is great, but I wanted to try something a little bit different, and I really like this one. I think they did a really good job with this color. The only thing that I want to say and I want to warn you guys about is this color does bleed, and when I was washing the hair I noticed that a lot of the color was actually coming out of the unit. However, it didn't like make the color faded out or anything, but I think like whenever they dyed the hair, they didn't finish like rinsing all of the color out. So if you get this unit, make sure you wash it and get all of that color out. You want to make sure that the water runs clear. When the water runs clear, then you're in the clear. But I will say also make sure you wash this unit with cold water only. If you use the hot water, it's going to cause the hair to like bleed even more, and that will definitely cause the color to fade. So I'm just letting you guys know about that because I did experience some like color bleeding with this unit. And other than that, I do like the color job on it. I think they did a really good job, and I like the fact that they did it like all throughout and they didn't just like do it on the top half. Like the color is all throughout the unit, like even at the bottom portion here. You can see that it's purple. So if you want to wear your hair like in a half up, half down, or if you want to like switch up your parting space or anything like that, you still have the gorgeous highlights all throughout, and they're all even. There's no like really harsh lines anywhere. Like even right now, you see how I'm able to do like a flip over, but it's not like a harsh line. Everything is very like smooth, and they did a really good job with this, so I really do like that. And today I just did a simple side part. I didn't do anything too crazy. I was thinking about doing a middle part, but I think I might want to do this again and crimp my hair and then do it in the middle part. I think that would be really cute. But so far I just wanted to show you guys what the hair just like looks like, just like this. And I do have this unit in a 24-inch. So this is how long the unit is. I did stand up just a moment ago to show you guys where this unit hits on me, and for reference I am 5'2", so a lot of the units tend to look a little bit longer on me, but this is a 24-inch unit. I'm not mad at it, and I really do like the density on this unit as well. They didn't like skimp me out on the density. It's not too thick, not too thin, and I also like the hairline for this unit. So let me come up a little closer so you guys can see the hairline. I didn't have to use like an elastic band to like melt the lace or anything. This is just what it looks like, and I did a simple swoop here. I didn't even like cut the hair or anything. I just like took this piece and like swooped it in the back, but I really like how the lace melted over here. It looks really good. I definitely could have like melted this part a little bit better, or maybe cut off a little bit more of the lace, but other than that, I'm not mad at it. I do like the lace on this unit. Here is a parting space that I was able to create. I just did a simple curved side part, and I didn't put any concealer in my part, but I did bleach the knots in this unit. I know that's probably something that you guys want to know. When I bleached the knots though, very interesting, the knots were purple. Like the purple that's like here, like the knots were like all purple. I was kind of worried about it. I'm like, oh, like did I mess it up or something like that? But it's perfectly fine. There's no issue with it. As you guys can see, it's still giving scalp and everything. I didn't have to use like any concealer or anything like that to help the part stand out. It just stood out on its own. And this is a 13x4 unit. The parting space on here is definitely one of those horseshoe parting space like type units. It definitely has like very minimal parting space on the sides, and majority of your parting space is going to be in the center, but this is a 13x4 lace frontal unit. I will show you guys where the parts, so I'm not going to like touch this part because this part is like where, you know, the tracks actually start for the side, but on the very edges, I'm going to show you guys like how much parting space you have right here. yeah, you know what? No, I'll show you on the other side because I don't want to mess up my little swoop right here. So I'm gonna come up close so you guys can see, but the tracks start like right here. I'm just kind of like messing up the color. But as you guys can see, the tracks start here. So this is the parting space on the side. This is where the tracks begin. Like all right here, it's just like all tracks. So you get about 1 inch on the side for parting space, but as you guys can see, you can still create like a side part. You just have to do like a curved side part, which you're gonna do anyway. And then for the center part, the tracks go up to here. So that's the parting space for this part. So it's about 1 inch on the side, and then right here is where you start to get most of your parting space. You can still do, you know, a half up, half down, a side part. As you guys can see, you can do a middle part, and everything is just fine. Now, one thing I also like about this unit is how smooth the hair is. It's not like extra like frizzy. It doesn't look fried or anything like that. And a lot of times when you color hair, you typically, not even typically, you have to lift the hair. You have to bleach the hair in order to lift the color, and then you can put, you know, whatever colors you want to put on the hair. So they definitely process the hair all throughout in order to like get the purple highlights in it, and the hair is still in really good condition. It's not fried, it doesn't feel rough, it's very smooth to the touch, and I really do like this unit. I think they did a really good job with it. Now, I've worked with Hermosa hair a lot over the past year, and one thing I will say about them is that they're definitely one of my favorite companies because I don't have any issues with them. Like, every unit that I've received has been amazing, the quality is great, and they have really good customer service as well. The other thing I like is that they have a huge variety of different styles, and I've tried everything from them. I've tried colored hair, I've tried curly hair, I've tried straight hair, I've tried wavy hair, I've tried literally everything, and every unit that I have from them is amazing. You could even go on my channel and just put like the Tastemaker, put Hermosa hair, and you guys can see like all the different reviews that I've done for them, and they're all fire. They even did this one that I did not too long ago, and it was red, and oh my god, that red was so bomb. I've tried to like color my hair red before, and it was like too red. It wasn't like that ruby red, but the red that they did was like the best red ever. I still have that unit. I love that unit. I actually did a photo shoot in that unit not too long ago, and I still love the unit. The hair quality is amazing. Other than that, you guys, I really do like this unit. Like I said, it is a 24 inch. As you guys can see, this hair is just very silky straight. There isn't any shedding going on, any tangling, but I did want to let you guys know that the color does bleed. I did rinse the color out, and I washed it, you know, twice just to make sure like all that color was out and make sure that the water ran clear. But if you don't do that, it's definitely gonna stain your clothes. It's gonna stain your hands. Like, even now, you guys can't really tell because of the studio lights and stuff, but even now, like, my hands are a little bit tinted from touching this hair, so just be mindful of that. Other than that, I like the unit, definitely recommend it. If you guys are looking for a fun and creative unit like this one, definitely check out Hermosa hair. They have a lot of great units. I really do like their hair company. I have another unit that I'm gonna review for them right after this, so definitely wait for that video and check that one out, because like I said, they have some really nice units that I absolutely love. So if you're interested in picking this up, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as possible. I want to give a big shout out to Hermosa hair for sponsoring today's video, and of course I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.